Welcome to the Office of Career Services tutorial on how to make an appointment in Handshake. Appointment types include resume reviews, interview preparation, internship search strategies, and more. Navigate to your student Handshake account to make an appointment by either logging in directly through the Handshake website or through the Office of Career Services webpage on Southeastern Louisiana University's website. Navigate to Handshake by clicking Student Login. You could also call 985-549-2121 or stop by the Office of Career Services to make an appointment. Once you've logged in, click Career Center on the menu at the top left, then click Appointments. At this point, you will see past and upcoming appointments, as well as the option to click Schedule a new appointment. Now, you will answer the following questions: your classification, the meeting type, date and time, as well as the staff member you would prefer to meet with. At this point, you will also be able to select your preferred appointment type, which is in person, video call, phone call, or by email. The final step is to fill out the short pre-appointment survey. Once complete, click Request, and your request will be sent for approval. Once your meeting is approved, you will receive an email confirmation detailing what time to arrive for your appointment, the phone number to call us, or a Google Meet link for your allotted time. If you need to make any changes to your appointment, you can either message the staff member you're meeting with through Handshake, email, call our office, or stop by.